That will look like the Silver Surfer.
It would like Silver Surfer's gay cousin.
That's all at the Met Gala. Let me find out what are the most funny or outrageous ones. Lil Nas X
Rematch shoes with the
dressed
blood.
up down in a metallic Dior men thong.
No, you could just show me a bro with a thong on now. No, this one look like Silver Surfer. You was gay, bruh.
That will look like the Silver Surfer.
It
But the
would
gay
like Silver
version.
Surfer's gay cousin.
That is crazy, bro.
Bro, why his face look like it? Nah, yeah, but they have to show them.
There's no way. Me.
Bro,
How much
staunch
money?
is crazy.
How much money
Bro, staunch is crazy. To do this.
to wear that?
Run me 5 million now, bro.
5 million.
Run me 5 million.
Damn.
Crowd goes silly.
I don't gonna lie. I do for 100,000.
100,000. Like,
100,000, bro. US
I
dollars.
mean, I just say so. Because 5 million is
Damn.
But I will also do it for 100k in US dollars is fine. That's enough here by me to make a living in Cape Town.
But
Anyway.
yeah, those are Met Gala outfits. You'll see me there in the next 15 years. I'll be wearing
Golden
a
is
Donald
it, bro.
Duck outfit in all gold with Gucci flip flops.
That will be, bruh.
Nah, I'm gonna. That's what
Because I want that to be true. I want to see this in 15 years.
I'm gonna have, the feet is most gold or so yellow. Mine's gonna be solid gold.
That's crazy. This was
Solid gold, bro.
walking on the gold road.
Yes.
On the gold road. I think it's in heaven.
Follow the yellow brick road, bro. Follow the yellow brick road. And while I'm walking, you can see like dust gold particles, like dust.
Yeah, that's crazy.
I'm gonna wear something outrageous. And my ass cheeks is gonna be out.